Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 20. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change wallpaper, next you can change screen refresh rate between 120Hz, 60Hz and auto switch. Then you can enable or disable light or dark theme and also schedule the switch between light and dark mode. Then you can change brightness level manually or via auto adaptive brightness. Next you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Enable or disable keep screen on. Eye care that you can also adjust and schedule. Enable or disable ultra touch. Change swipe speed and motion speed. Then you can change font size. Enable or disable inadvertently mode. Auto rotate screen. Manage lock screen preferences, like you can select what notifications to show on lock screen. You can add text on lock screen. Enable or disable show wallet, lock screen overlay. And in the end, you can enable or disable status bar network speed display function. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.